Hi, everybody. Uh, hope everybody's doing well today. And I have something I wanted to share with everyone. Um, I think it's pretty cool stuff that's going on in the news with the planets. And I just thought today I would share this article that I found. And you guys might hopefully be interested enough to actually watch for what's going to be a really big event in the world of astronomy for the scientists. It's involving the two planets, Jupiter and Saturn. And Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. It's the largest planet and is nearly 11 times wider than Earth. It is made of gas. And Jupiter has a huge storm that swirls like a hurricane. The storm itself is twice the size of Earth. Astronomers have named it the Great Red Spot. And Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has thousands of narrow rings circling it. The rings are made of rocks, ice, and dust. Okay, so I'm going to read this article. It was written in the New York Times, and I'm going to share it because it's something you might be able to see from the sky that doesn't happen for lots of years. So it's called Jupiter and Saturn had for the closest visible alignment in 800 years. Okay? On December 21st, Jupiter and Saturn will appear to be more than a dime's width apart in the night sky. The last time that could be seen was in 1226. For months, Saturn and Jupiter have appeared to be getting really close and have gradually drawn near in the night sky. Over the next 2 weeks, as the orbits align more closely, the planets will pull closer until they appear to be just a tenth of a degree apart. That's really close, guys. About the thickness of a dime, held at arm's length, according to NASA. The encounter, known as a Great Conjunction, happens about every 20 years. But this one, arriving on December 21st, the winter solstice, is special, astronomers said. It will be the closest alignment of Saturn and Jupiter, the largest planets in our solar system, since 1623. But the conjunction, just 14 years after Galileo built his first telescope, was 13 degrees away from the Sun, making it almost impossible to view from Earth. This one would be the closest visible encounter between the two giants since the Middle Ages in 1226. The next time the planets will be this close is 2080, making it an event for people in our age group. We'll probably never see it again. So this is a big deal for people who are older. This one will be the closest, let's see, across the United States, the best view of the two planets coming into near alignment will be just after sunset in the southwestern portion of the sky. Although it would be best appreciated if you have binoculars or a telescope, would be really good. But it should be visible without those things. That's what they said. As long as you have a really clear sky. If there's clouds in the sky, probably it will be difficult. But you're supposed to be able to see it with a naked eye and not have to need a telescope or binoculars. It's the rare astronomical event where you can appreciate the motion of the planets around the sun without being some kind of astronomer. You can still go outside close to Christmas to say, wow, those two planets sure are close to one another, and they aren't usually. The conjunction is the result of the orbital paths of Jupiter and Saturn coming into line as viewed from Earth. Jupiter orbits the Sun about every 12 years, and Saturn about every 29 years. Although they will appear to be closer, resembling a bright ball or a tipped-over snowman in the sky, the planets will not actually be that close. In fact, they would be more than 400 million miles apart. Some people are calling this conjunction a Christmas star because of its arrival around the holiday. And Ms. Oliver said that on the days before and after December 21st, as soon as it gets dark outside, everybody should go outside and take a look because you just might be able to see it. So I hope you remember sometime at really our last day of school, September 18th, you should start looking the weekend after starting your break for Christmas break. You should start looking up at the sky and see what you can see. Be a pretty cool thing. I hope you can find this information as exciting as I do. And after Christmas, I'm going to have to ask you guys to see how many of you guys saw it or tried to see it anyway. So have a great day, you guys. And I hope everyone is feeling well. And we'll see you sometime soon. Bye.